Hey guys, really jazzed about Cresswind. This is the new amenity center that is almost complete. You see the pool, you see the courts, that's from the rear, and this is the beginning of Cresswind. And my name is Roger Holloway with ProStead Realty, and with my partner, McAllen we're showing you the hospital. This is that first little court. That was the first Cresswind house I sold right there, backed up to the woods. So picking the right lot is important. Again, notice that the Novant Hospital is right behind Cresswind. So there are a lot of reasons to love this. I want to thank McAllen Drone Solutions for this great footage. This is a spring 2019 update. We're going to go into this very house right here, which is the Beechwood. Now, one of the reasons I spotlight this Beechwood is because there are not a lot of these out there to see. Is there a model? There really is a model, but they haven't built a lot, and I want to show you why this could be one of the best plans for you. And here's why. Sometimes we say, oh, I got to spend this amount of money. I got to go get all this more. When in reality, if you can vibe with this concept of being minimalist, this is a 2-bedroom plan with high ceilings, wide open floor plan, and it's got really everything you need. Now, when you see the tour here, and we'll go there in about a minute and take you through a completed Beechwood, I think it will help you in your purchase decision. And by the way, that means you probably are coming in town. Ooh, the amenity center. Now, somebody said, well, I've been to Trilogy and it's, I've been to Carolina Orchards. Trust me, guys, this one is magnificent. You're going to like this one. So let's get you down here. I know you're relocating to Charlotte area, and maybe you've got your house on the market, maybe you got some offers, you're ready to go. Now you're starting to panic. Oh, what should I do? Well, good news is, again, go to my Cresswind playlist. There are several specs right now for a quick move. Right, as of today, a couple of Laurels, floor plans, and a Hickory. So we're right off of I-485 off the interstate. Here's that corner lot. And this has got a little berm right here and it goes down. So this is sitting up, and they've done this with this landscaping in such a way it gives a really great dimension to the property, as you'll see, again, thanks to McAllen Drone Solutions.com. So again, 55 plus, there are 5 major ones in the greater Charlotte area, and this one is the only one with a Charlotte address. So again, you want to let me help you put all that together, and there are a lot of videos and explanation about that in my YouTube. In fact, click on the link to my site in the description. Well, let's go look at this particular Beechwood plan right now. Now, this one, it's got a unique elevation to it. It's got that shake up there at the top. It's got this hardy all around, good sized porch. And you say, well, why is this different from the model? Well, I'll talk to you about that, about the fireplace in the model. But let's just go in, let's vibe, let's take it as it comes. It was early in the morning on my first cup of coffee. This was yesterday that I shot this. And so you come in, you've got a laundry room. Several little niches like that give you a place for some artwork, just a little architectural detail. You got your laundry room right off from your garage coming in. Now, it's a 2-bedroom. Now, notice again, I'm admiring the 8-foot doors. It's that sense of luxury. And so this full bath here, could you build it with a shower? Yeah, you can. And so you come in, you've got again, light-filled second bedroom. Could be completely versatile. This could be an office. This could be a workout room. But why would you need a workout room if you got that great fitness center? And then you've got the dynamic in the 55 plus of, hey, a lot of people wanting to do the same thing. Oh my goodness, look at this. See what I tell you? It opens up beautifully, doesn't it? So the island is just the right size, guys. The windows above let you put a hutch there. I know you've got some furniture that's sentimental you're bringing. I see where that line is, the lowered ceiling. This is the sunroom. Now you can build this as an option in lieu of that covered patio, but there it is. You see the lowered ceiling? It brings a really nice intimate dimension to that space. But when you couple that sunroom opened up into this kitchen, it's really, really special. There's a wall for your TV. And again, this is 42-inch cabinets. And you know what's been really neat for me? By the way, here's where the fireplace little confusion was. for us. Can a fireplace go there? Yes, no. So what my clients have opted to do is not build the fireplace there, and they're going to build out a little niche, basically a little architectural detail coming out from the wall with a I don't know if it's going to be an electric fireplace, but something to give that feel without not taking up too much space, and put the TV there. All right, guys, the kitchen's wide open. That's what everybody wants, the open concept. So you've got the stack of the double oven kind of stack, microwave oven, and the cooktop. So now, again, do you admit that's a great space? And then you get that nice, really good size. That's what it looks like from the outside. This is the Beechwood plan. There's another one of those niches. So give me a call if you're relocating to Charlotte, thinking about this as a 55-plus destination. Cresswind might be just the right one for you. This is the master bedroom. Again, not too big, not too small. This is, and the price on this, pretty amazing. And even look how great that LVT, the luxury vinyl, looks. And so now we're going to finish by going into the bathroom. But again, my number's on the screen. It's 704-345-3400. My services are free to you as a buyer's agent because the builder, the seller's got it all worked into the price. So you don't save money when you go in. Go ahead and ask them, hey, can I save money without using a realtor? No. And so here we go. Two vanities that are separate. And that's one of the things that this client loved about this. And look at that zero entry doors over here off to the front of that. Transom window. It's just really nice tile work. So for a great price, you can get into a Beechwood without having to build, a 3,500 square foot house. This one's smaller, but again, it feels large, it lives large because you've got that 10-foot ceiling, you got some 9-foot, and then you've got that like 11-foot in that great room space. So I can't wait to see you in the next video. I can't wait to help you subscribe, ring the bell for notification, and let's get you down to Charlotte, y'all, where you belong, and maybe at Cresswind in a Beechwood plan. I'll talk soon.